Hello everyone, this is Amvesh Meher, your IT lecturer. So students, I will cover your complete syllabus of class 12th Information Technology. So to get all my videos, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest videos. So in this video lecture, we will start your unit 3, that is fundamentals of Java programming. So before going to the details of Java programming, we should discuss about some basic things like what is program, what is programming technique, all these things. Okay. Next, what is Java programming? All these things we will discuss. Then we'll go through the details of Java programming. So students, what is program? Program means a sequence of instructions. A sequence of instructions written to instruct the computer to do something. That is called a program. Okay? So, whenever we want to accomplish a specific task, we need to write a set of instructions that has to be followed by the computer systems to accomplish our task. So, in any programming languages, there are some rules and regulations that have to be followed by the programmers. And in terms of programming languages, we call it as syntax and semantics. In general English, the meaning of syntax is grammar and semantics means meaning. So there are some specific rules and regulations that we have to follow whenever we write the code for a specific programming languages. So there are different programming languages you may have heard, like C, C++, C#, Python, Java, all these things. So here we will discuss about Java. So what is Java? It is a high level programming language. Okay. So already you may know that computer languages are divided into basically 3 types. In some books it is also mentioned that languages are 2 types, but generally computer languages are of 3 types, like high level language, middle level language and low level language. So C, C++, Java, all these things comes into high level programming languages. The assembly language, that comes under your middle level language. And your binary digits, that is 0 and 1, using which the machine code is written. Okay. So low level languages that constitute the bits 0 and one which is understandable by the machine. So whenever a programmer write any program, he or she generally uses high level programming languages. That means we write our programs using simple English language. Okay, but we can understand what we have written using English. That means this high level programming language. Okay, but computer can't understand. For that reason, we have to convert this high level language into machine language. And for the purpose of conversion, we need a compiler. Okay. So the Java compiler convert the high level language into an intermediate language. Okay. That means in an intermediate form. That is called bytecode. And generally all other compilers convert high level language into directly machine code. There is some reason why the Java compiler convert the high level language into bytecode, that I am going to explain you. Okay. So generally what happens, different machines have different operating system, like Windows operating system, Linux, Unix, Macintosh, and like this. And their machine code is also different. So in terms of programming languages, we are calling it as platform. Whenever you talk about different operating system, in other term you can say also different platforms. That means Windows operating system is one platform, Unix OS is another platform, Linux another platform, Macintosh another platform, like that. So whenever Java compiler translate the high level language into the bytecode, that bytecode can be executed in any machines. That bytecode can be executed in any machine, but that system should have their own interpreter, and that interpreter is called JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Okay. So if a system has its own Java virtual machine or interpreter, then it can convert the bytecode into the machine understandable form, or you can say the low level language or machine code, which can be easily run by the system. Okay, and we'll get the result finally. So to write the Java program, you need one text editor for writing the code, like your Notepad, WordPad, or any other text editor. Okay. And After writing the Java code, you have to save it, and you can run it, or you can say you have to compile it, and then you have to execute it in your machine. But nowadays there are some applications where you can do all these things in a single place. Okay, so there are different Java integrated development environments. In short, we are calling it as IDEs. IDEs. Okay, so in Java integrated development environment, you can write your code. That means there you will get the text editor and a Java compiler which will compile your code, whatever you have written, and after that it will execute the compiled code so that you will get your result. Okay, so there are different Java integrated development environments are available, and here we will use Java Netbeans Ide. Which one is very easy to use, and you can get it without any cost. Okay, because it is open source. Okay, you can download it without paying anything, from the internet, and you can install it in your system, and you can write Java programs, and you can run it using Java Netbeans Ide. So how we have to use Java Netbeans Ide, that we will discuss in our next video. Okay, so in the next video simply I will show you how to run Java programs. Then we have to discuss different concepts of Java language. Okay, so thank you, and again I am telling you, if you want to get all the video lecture regarding your information technology of class 12th, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Okay, I will cover your complete syllabus of class 12th. Okay, thank you.